Oh crap, that's on fire. Oh, bring in the fire extinguisher.
Get it now! Load it. I'm looking at the bike side, okay? I'm trying to. Oh yeah.
That's it for the fire extinguisher. No, it's fine.
Every time we come to the cabin, something bad happens. Every time we stay overnight.
Good job getting the fire extinguisher, Tom. I was making pancakes. I heard a little bit of a popping, crashing sound. Thought a bear might be messing around with our stuff, so I poked my head out of the cabin, and I see smoke just coming out of the generator cabin. I'm like, oh crap. Well, I'm guessing that's the real reason the electricity turned off. So I think it's pretty obvious what happened. The previous owners had scooted the generator up against the wall so that the exhaust would blow out of a hole in the wall. The exhaust overheated the wood, caught it on fire. That caught the generator on fire. And that fire had been burning in there for probably 15 minutes before I came out here and noticed. Luckily, the door was all closed, and so the oxygen couldn't let the fire spread very fast. Fire had been going long enough to burn that stud in two. That's crazy. There's still some fire in there, dang it. Yeah, look at that. Still got embers. This thing could reignite. Yeah, that's a hot mess.